In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. The first step in this process is to copy the link of the shared Google Drive. Instead of simply clicking on the link, you're going to perform a long press on it. This means you'll touch and hold the link until a menu pops up. From that menu, select Copy. This action will ensure that you have the link stored in your clipboard, ready to use. Next, we'll move on to opening a browser. You can choose any web browser at your disposal, but for the sake of consistency, let's use Google Chrome. Navigate to the Chrome app on your phone and open it up. Once you're in the browser, it's time to paste the link. Look for the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where you'll enter the URL. Tap the address bar, and when it appears, simply press and hold until you see the paste option. Go ahead and select Paste, then hit Go or the Enter key to navigate to the site. At this point, you might be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the shared drive. Now here's a crucial step. We need to enable the desktop mode of your browser. This is important because the upload option is generally only available in desktop mode on mobile browsers. To activate this, look for the three dots icon, usually found in the corner of your browser. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, check the box for Desktop Site or Desktop Version. Once you do this, the page will refresh and you'll be viewing it in desktop mode. After your page reloads, you'll find yourself on the shared Google Drive. You can now navigate through the folders. If you want to upload your file to a specific folder, simply double-click on that folder to enter it. Alternatively, you can create a brand new folder by clicking the New button, which you'll find on the interface. From the options that come up, select New Folder, give it a name, and create it. Okay, on to the next step, initiating the upload. Click on the New button again. This time, select File Upload from the menu. This will open your device's media picker, file manager, or gallery, depending on what you have available. One last step, and we're done. You'll need to choose the file you want to upload. Navigate to the file you wish to share, tap on it, and initiate the upload. A progress bar will appear on your screen, indicating that your file is being uploaded. Just sit tight for a moment until the upload completes. Once the upload finishes, congratulations! Your file is now visible in the shared Google Drive, ready to be accessed by everyone who has the link. That's it, folks. You've successfully uploaded files to a shared Google Drive link. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.